What's good, fellas? I'm B and welcome back to the Tiege Hanley channel. When it comes to proper hygiene, there is an ideal routine that you should be following. Most guys know the basics, but there are a few proper hygiene aspects you should have implemented into your daily life. Oral hygiene is a very common one that most people think they have figured out, but do you floss every day? Do you use fluoride antiseptic mouthwash every single night? Are you brushing your gums too and using a tongue scrubber to eliminate the bacteria that resides there? These are all important to keep your gums and teeth healthy, as well as ensuring you have fresh breath and pearly whites. And pro tip, make sure you replace your toothbrush every 4 to 6 weeks. If bad breath is something you're looking to eliminate, then the tongue scrubber will help immensely. In fact, the Journal of Periodontal Research's 2007 study found that using a tongue scraper eliminates more than half of volatile sulfur compounds in patients with bad breath. Next, make sure you shower once a day. A lot of guys think they can skip a day or don't want to mess with their hair or over shampoo, but your body builds up sweat, body odor, your skin becomes dry and your pores get clogged. Whether it's in the morning or at night, make sure you're showering every single day. And if you aren't already, utilize a healthy, hydrating body wash or soap bar like Tiege Hanley's. And if you need to exfoliate, use the scrub body bar to the mix for bi-weekly usage. When it comes to shower hygiene, make sure you steer clear of loofahs too. The Journal of Clinical Microbiology found that they can be breeding grounds for infection-causing bacteria. Make sure your water isn't too hot either. Contact Dermatitis conducted a survey in 2006 and found that water that is too hot can cause dry, red, and irritated skin. Spoiler alert, showering ain't enough. Be sure to apply a healthy deodorant consistently. We suggest avoiding antiperspirants as they clog your pores and just aren't good for your skin. And the same goes for aluminum. Do some research and find a healthy, natural deodorant that you like and won't cause irritation, itchiness, or stain your clothes. This may go without saying, but you should be wearing cologne regularly as well. Lastly, and most importantly, have a healthy skincare regimen in your daily routine. Everything we've talked about today is for your general health and appearance. And the same goes for taking care of your skin, but this one's a bit more important. You want to keep your skin clean and hydrated, pores clear, and remove any bacteria or sweat. That means washing and moisturizing your face every day, twice a day, and exfoliating twice a week. While you're at it, be sure to keep your lips and hands hydrated too with Tiege Hanley's lip balm and hand lotion. So there you have it. That's the perfect hygiene routine for guys. If you want to hear more from Tiege Hanley, then click here. But if you want to know more about Tiege Hanley products, then click here. Again, I'm B. Until next time, I'll see you around.